Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about the two new certifications launched by AWS, that is AI Practitioner Foundation and AWS Machine Learning Engineering Associate. Many people were looking for this kind of a certifications to certify their skills into machine learning, artificial intelligence and generative AI. These three skills has taken world by storm and every sector is transforming with these three new skills. And employers are looking for employee who has the knowledge and hands-on experience on all these three new skills. In this video, we are going to do the comparison between these two certificates, what are topics that will be covered, who should be taking this exam, how much is the price for each exam, and the difference between the beta exam and the regular scheduled exam. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Pankaj. I am working as a data scientist and machine learning engineer for one of the top class MNCs. I am certified AWS machine learning specialist. I have also passed AWS DevOps professional and AWS solution architect associate exam. Now let's go to the AWS certifications page and try to understand in more details. If you go to the aws.amazon.com/certifications page, you will see there are four types of certification. One is the foundation, another one is professional, associate and specialty. AI Practitioner Foundation is added into the foundations type. Earlier there was only one certification which was Cloud Practitioner, and now the latest one is AI Practitioner. If you scroll down, go to the associate section, you will see the new certification which is AWS Machine Learning Engineering Associate. Earlier there were only four, and the latest one is this AWS Machine Learning Engineer. The very first basic difference between this AWS Machine Learning Engineering and AI Practitioner is any person who is totally new to machine learning, artificial intelligence, generative AI, who do not have any hands-on experience, can appear for this AI Practitioner exam. They can learn, and no prior experience into this stuff is needed. You can just learn the content, use cases and appear for AI Practitioner exam. Whereas if you go to associate level, the prior cloud and strong on-premises IT experience is recommended. So that is a recommendation. You should have at least 1 year of experience working on the SageMaker or machine learning model, and then you can prepare for this exam and appear for it. But that is a recommendation. Depending upon your learning, you can directly apply for machine learning engineering associate level exam. Now let's go to each page and try to understand it in more detail. If I go to AWS certifications AI practitioner page, it is going to validate in-demand knowledge of artificial intelligence, machine learning and generative AI concepts and use cases. So this is very important guide. It is going to test your understanding of the concepts and the use cases. There is no technical word here, right? How much you understand these terms, the features, that is what it is going to test. This exam is of 120 minutes. 85 questions will be there, and 75 is the USD. That is the price that you have to pay. Who can take this exam is individuals who are familiar with but do not necessarily build solution using artificial intelligence, machine learning technologies on AWS. So you just have to understand the concept. You don't need a hands-on experience, how to run the AI or machine learning. It is just for, if you have the basic understanding, you can take this. What roles could take this? Like business analyst, IT support, marketing professional, product and project manager, line of business, sales professional. So anyone, right? There is no technical word. Anyone can go ahead and take it. Now, what are topics that are going to be covered in this certification exam? So you will be learning the foundational concepts and terminologies of artificial intelligence, machine learning and generative AI, use cases of all these three, design consideration for foundation models. You are going to learn model training and fine tuning, how you can train and tune the model. That concept you are going to learn. Prompt engineering, which is very, very, very important. Every AI tool that you are using, you have to give the correct prompt in order to get the exact needed response, right? So prompt engineering is very important. Foundation model evaluation criteria, responsible AI. This is also very important, guys, because many people are using AI in a bad way to circulate the fake news, to create the bad content with different wrong people images. So how responsibly we can generate an AI tools, that is going to be discussed here. Security and compliance of AI systems. So these all topics you are going to learn when you are preparing for AI Practitioner Foundation exam. Now let's go to AWS Machine Learning Engineering. Here it is going to validate technical ability to implement machine learning workload in production and operationalizing them. So here it is going to check your technical ability, how you are going to implementation. It is going to test you on that, right? So that is the difference. So here it is technical, that is going to just talk about the concepts and the use cases, but here you should have the experience. So this exam is of 170 minutes. Earlier one was 120. The AI practitioner, this is 170 minutes. 85 question will be there and 75 USD. Now, who should be taking this exam? Individuals with at least 1 year of experience using Amazon SageMaker or and other ML engineering. Okay, so you should have at least 1 years of experience using Amazon SageMaker, which is a framework where you can implement different machine learning models. So that gives you that platform, and it is for the backend software developers, DevOps engineer, data engineers, machine learning operations, and data scientists. So any technical person can take this exam, right? Who has exposure to the AWS services and AWS SageMaker. What all topics will be covered? So you will be preparing for data preparation for machine learning models, feature engineering, what features you should be using, the model training, model performance and metrics, model integration and deployment, performance and cost optimization, and the security, which is very important. So these topics you are going to cover when you will be preparing for AWS Machine Learning Engineering exam. Since these are totally new, not much content is available, but AWS has given some learning things. We will go to that page. Talking of AWS Certified AI Practitioner level, this is for the free enrollment. Okay, if you do it for free enrollment, you will get white papers and frequently asked questions. Okay, white papers and frequently asked questions. What is artificial intelligence? AWS cloud adoption frameworks. That is what you are going to get. And there are digital courses available, right? How you can take it? You just have to enroll for it. That is a free enrollment. And in digital courses, you are going to learn the generative AI for executives, Amazon Q Business, Amazon Bedrock, foundation of machine learning and artificial intelligence, responsible AI, developing machine learning. So these all digital courses you will get. You simply have to go to this page, free, and click on enrollment. Once you enroll, you will have access to all this on free. Same thing for AWS Machine Learning Engineering. You have to go to this page and scroll down. You have white paper and frequently asked question and some digital courses, right? What is machine learning lens, introduction to machine learning, art of the possible, planning a machine learning project, and Amazon Bedrock. Okay, go here and click on the enrollment. I'm going to give you this link. Now, what is the difference between the beta exam? Because if you go to AWS certifications page, these all talk about the beta exam, right? AI practitioner beta, AI machine learning beta, whereas it's not there for others, right? So the basic difference between the beta exam and the standard version of the exam, it is given here, right? A beta exam contains more total questions and more scored questions than the standard version of the same exam, right? So that is the first very basic difference. Beta exams are available for limited period of time, that is generally 1 to 3 months, and beta exams are offered at a discount from standard exam price. So try to understand this, guys. This is the very first launch. If you go ahead and take this certification, you are going to stand out in the crowd, right? Because you are the very first one to certify your skills. So that is the importance. And this is going to be the same, right? So these are the differences, how it is going to be the different. And even if you take the beta exam, you are going to get the certification, right? It is going to be evaluated by SMEs, and if you pass those questions, you are going to get the certification for active for 3 years, like any other certification, right? The very important thing is, whenever you are applying for an exam, I always recommend you to go ahead and ask for additional 30 minutes. How you can do it is, if you are a non-native English speaker, you can ask for additional 30 minutes, so you will get additional 30 minutes. How you can do it? You just have to go to your AWS site, Log into your profile. That's my profile, Pankaj Khobragade. Okay. Go to the exam registration and exam accommodation. Once you go in there, you will see the request accommodation, right? Extra 30 minutes for non-native English speaker, right? So you are going to get additional 30 minutes whenever whatever the timing may be. If you are getting 120 minutes plus 30, I believe I have shared most of these details, guys. I recommend each and every one because the coming few years are on machine learning, artificial intelligence, and generative AI. Even if you are from a non-IT background, go ahead, start learning this, take these certifications, and you are going to get very good hike in the companies. Okay, happy learning, guys. Have a great day.